This final legal tool will teach you about one of the most important parts of being a teacher creator, protecting your intellectual property. Many creators who are new to the game do not realize that securing their resources in a password-protected PDF is essential. I certainly had no idea how crucial this step was when I first started selling products, and only found out when I stumbled upon a few horror stories in the TPT forum about teacher creators having their resources separated into smaller pieces and given away on blogs or sold on other sites. Needless to say, I spent a couple of sleepless nights until I went through and converted my first products to the proper format. The same feeling of panic may have just come over you, but fear not. You're about to learn exactly how to secure your resources. Once again, I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat Pro, which makes this process quick and easy. Know that although I'm teaching you this step now, before I've shown you how to design resources, it is in actuality the very last step in the creation process before your final upload. Therefore, once you're confident that your resource is polished to a T, click File and scroll down to Properties. You're going to want to head to the Security tab in this Properties window. Then, change the security method to Password Security. The Password Security settings box will appear. The settings I recommend using are as follows. In the Document Open category, make sure Require a password to open the document is not selected. Under the Permissions category, select Restrict Editing and Printing of the document. When it comes to product previews, I set both Printing Allowed and Changes Allowed to None. This eliminates the risk of a teacher printing my very detailed product previews for use without actually making a purchase. Since this is an actual product that I want people to be able to print and use, I will set printing to high resolution. And changes allowed, I'm going to keep that as none. Be sure that the box next to enable copying of text, images, and other content is not checked. Then make sure Enable Text Access for Screen Reader Devices for the visually impaired is checked. In the Options category, select your compatibility. I always select 7.0 or later. Next, select Encrypt All Document Contents. Then type your password. Finally, click OK and confirm your password, and one more OK. That'll take you back out to the Document Properties box where you started, where you need to click OK another time. My final step in this process is to save my document. Now, the window title indicates that my document is secured. If ever I find a typo in my resource or want to update it in any way, I can remove the security and make changes. To do so, I click File, head down to Properties, and change the security method to No Security. You'll be asked for your password to unlock the document, so be sure your password is something you can easily remember. Now when I go to upload my product, I feel secure knowing everything within the resource, both my own content and the artwork of the artist I've incorporated, is password protected and cannot be altered. If you do not wish to invest in Adobe Acrobat Pro, there are alternative methods for securing PDF documents, which I have listed in the links below. Now that you have watched all 5 legal tools tutorials, you are officially a Teacher Creator Legal Guidelines Master. Congratulations! Up next, I will introduce you to the design tools, and you will head down the road to Classroom Resource Design Wonderland.